Hello, welcome to this tutorial about custom flood simulations using the FastFlood Global platform. Today we're going to have a quick look at how you can set up a customized model domain using the FastFlood Global tool. I'm already on the FastFlood website. I'm going to select the FastFlood Global platform and it will take us directly to this. Now today I'm not going to use the entry modal that you see when you get to the website. Instead, I want to select my own custom domain and also specify my own settings for the modeling. Let's start by an area that was impacted several years ago by flooding in the Netherlands. And I'm going to go to the top right and I'm going to select Add Area and then go for Select. Then I can select the top left corner and bottom right corner of the modeling domain that I'm interested in. And in this case, I'm going to select the city of Valkenburg along the Geul River in the Netherlands. Now you see here that we can choose a lot more options about the simulation that we might want to do. So in this case, we can select not just moderate or extreme, but also a particular return period. And this indicates how extreme and how rare this event is. So a 50-year return period event would happen once every 50 years within this area. Now, under the advanced options, there's a lot more settings that you can choose from, such as the level of detail, the processes that are included in climate change. We'll start now with a high detail simulation for this particular area. I'm going to give it a name and then press Run. And as you're used to from the model, it's able to put together the data. And here, since we selected high resolution, it's going to be able to take in also the national laser scanning based elevation data sets to give us a lot more additional detail for the flood simulation that we're doing for this particular area. And there we go. We've done our first customized simulation for this particular region. And we see the output and definitely also the impact of choosing the high resolution. Now we see the River Geul here in this particular once every 50-year event flooding most of the valley, as happened also very heavily during the 2021 floods in this region. Now this is a bit of a small region, but we can imagine that we want to do some customized simulation for a larger area or even a basin. So I'm going to set up a second example. Again, I'm going to select an area. You can also just do a default study area by clicking on the map and then selecting custom. But for now, I want to again select my own custom area. And I'm going to pick a large region of the Mekong River Basin in Cambodia. So this is the area that I'm going to select. I'm going to give it an appropriate name. I'm going to keep the same return period. And in this case, I'll go back to the regular level of detail and press Simulate. And again, the model is automatically adapting to our request on the fly, and it's able to deal both with larger rivers, it's able to deal with fluvial floods as well as flash flooding simultaneously. And it's able to put together for us the simulation and give us the results near instantly. Now, I hope you found this useful. Thank you for watching this short tutorial video. You can find more tutorials and explanations on the website and the YouTube channel. And have a good day.